What do you think, Duncan? What do you think? Hi, Aurelius. You gonna show Duncan your toys? Yeah.
Hey, that's the same thing Duncan does.
We haven't yet put stuff. We haven't put anything up yet, like stacked any blocks yet.
Duncan's into tearing down, not so much.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. He had 2 naps today. He woke up at 7:30, and then he slept until he'd had a 9:30 nap till 10:30, and then noon. He had a birthday at like. Oh my gosh! Oh, Pierce is here, Aurelius. Your other pal. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, that's face. Yeah. There's Bella to give kisses. Okay, Belle. Okay, Belle. Balloons.
How you doing, bud?
Balloons. What are you doing? So excited. Wow. Aw, Pierce is here too. Aw. How fun. Hi guys. What's in there? What's in there?
Hello. There's a birthday boy.
Hey. Good. You look
1
awesome.
year. Can you believe it?
No, I can't. I know. It's already it's amazing.
I remember everything about your delivery and because we had, for some reason, we were sleeping in the other bedroom. I think we were getting a new mattress or something. I remember being up all night, like, does she have it? You kept checking my phone, like, she has it.
Oh my gosh, your little one is so adorable.
Where's Julie?
Aww.